Hi guys! Welcome sa bukid nila Mamang. And guys, yan kayo ano dali guys. Tama. Yes. And let's go here guys. Look. Ali guys, may ano dito guys, oh. Punuan ng ano buko. And ang dali lang kunin guys yung mga buto. Asa man to? Where you going? Yes guys, let's take a closer look here guys. Anyway guys, so let's head inside the house. Let's head inside the house guys. Medyo pa-backward tayo kasi naka-front. So let's take a closer look guys. Siyempre gusto ko makita yung sarili ko guys. Ano pa-backward? Let's take a closer look. Let's go. Abundante ako ng water. This is the house of my mother and my father. And after that, this is the closer look. This is our dog. Nagikan sa balay, at dito sa bukid. Say hello, Marie. Greenwich. This is Greenwich, guys. Oh. Oh my God. Okay. Let's head inside, guys.